Did you know that if you take a tomato, cut it into pieces, and coat it with honey, you can create one of the most effective natural remedies that exist? By combining tomato with honey, you create a powerful remedy capable of relieving even the strongest sore throat in just minutes. If your throat hurts so much that you can't even swallow your own saliva, you need to try this. Here's how to prepare it. Simply take a tomato and cut it into pieces. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation. Next, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is known for its anti-inflammatory ability to soothe and heal. Finally, squeeze the juice from half a lemon to add antibacterial and antiviral properties that help fight infections. Mix everything well, and it's ready. How to take it? Eat the tomato pieces along with the honey and lemon juice, and you'll feel immediate relief in your throat. If the pain comes back the next day, you can repeat the remedy once more, and your throat will thank you. If you like this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments.